Here's a question I get asked a lot. How do I know that I'm posting the right content? Let's face it, real estate agents are making lots of video, posting a lot, but are they getting the leads? Are they attracting the traffic? The problem is usually one of two things. Firstly, they're using organic social media posts to advertise. They're playing the advertising game, which means the content is generally me, and more about me. When you do that, it pushes people away. Now, through our lives, we've all had a bad experience being sold to, and as a result, we hate it. So when real estate agents do this, the audience also hates it. In some cases, I see people physically moved back in their seats when confronted by posts that are ads. The second problem I see with real estate agents on social media is they're using the wrong videos to target the wrong leads. People can be categorized into three types of leads. Cold, not in the market, don't know you, just followed you because you're in the area they live or want to live. Warm, they know you, have no immediate desire but like real estate. And hot, a buyer or seller are weighing up a decision. Most real estate agents, and this is a widespread problem, are addicted to serving up videos for hot leads to an audience of cold leads. Let me repeat that. Most agents are addicted to serving up videos meant for hot leads to an audience of cold leads. And as a result, they just get ignored. So they'll start making claims that social media doesn't work. It's not for real estate and it's a waste of time. So you have to be more strategic. You need to lead with a personality-driven communication strategy to take cold leads and warm them up. Let them get to know you a little bit. Build a relationship, some trust. And then only serve your typical welcome to this beautiful family home at 19 Wombat Drive videos to hot leads who are in the market. Hey, thanks for watching. I really do appreciate anyone who watches all the way to the end of one of my videos. This is the part where I do the YouTube thing. If you like this video, if you enjoyed it, please consider leaving it a like below so that it feeds the algorithm and spreads these kinds of videos to people who are like-minded like yourself and wanting to learn more in this space. If you want to learn more about this type of content, the other step you need to take is to subscribe with the notifications bell on so the next time I do upload a video, you get told about it and you don't miss out. Now, if you're interested in storytelling, personality-driven marketing, or even viral content, the next suggestion I have for you is to pick yourself up a copy of this book. It took me about 6 years of research to compact everything that I know into 220 pages. It's got exercises and free downloads and really is a great starting point for anyone wanting to set their voice and market themselves using video. It's available in the US, the UK, Australia, South Africa, Europe, and even New Zealand through all good bookstores. And of course, you can pick it up online via Amazon and Booktopia. It's called Like, Comment, Share, Buy. There's a link to the Amazon site down below. All I can say is it's a great read for anyone who's a beginner in this space, and I'm really proud of it. So if you want to help me out even, buy this book, give it as a gift, whatever you want to do. It's there. Anyway, that's all from me. Catch you on the next one. Peace.